Hello everyone, my name is Patel Kevin. I am a student of Palol University. This is our team name Kevin and Nisha from CSE department and presented by me, Kevin Patel and Nishit Patel. Problem description. The challenge encountered by the manual system in canteen is efficiency and customer satisfaction. The experiencing of order in most fast food canteens is not pleasant for customers. Customers have to make a long queue before placing the order, and when the order is placed, they have to wait near the counter until the order is prepared. The major issue are communication between the two parties for placing an order, and the information about bill should also result in error. Means error also occur in understanding what the person want to say, and especially in busy hour in canteen when the place is very crowded and noisy. The problem is even more if the cashier and the customer do not speak the native language. Customer and the owner both have a problem. Problem solution. The objective and scope of this project is to record the detail of various activities like of canteen, like ordering food from classroom using web application, student account creation, monitoring food quality, student payment detail, etc. It will simplify the task and reduce all the manual work. The main advantage of this system is that it greatly simplifies the ordering process for both customer and the canteen. When the customer visiting the ordering page, they are presented with an interactive and up-to-date menu, complete with all available options. Initially, students need to create an account in Canteen by paying some minimum amount, and the amount will be taken as their amount balance. The username and password will be provided to the student. Now students fulfill their full need through the providing Android application. How it works? Student first of all recharge in their prepaid and postpaid account. Then I choose the item from the given menu. After that, they should give the verification of their by using fingerprint scanner and the face recognition. And then the order go to the canteen database. Value propagation. The value propagation is the statement of what if the offered customer that is not available at other canteen established in the area. While a unique value propagation is essential for any business, this is especially true for a canteen that must complete on a daily basis to attract more for the other canteen. Our system provides food fast as compared to the other because of online ordering system. Our system provides a cashless payment. That's why we save the time for customers and owner both.
Target target market and opportunity. Target marketing is operating from an understanding of how our target customer is and shaping our marketing message to apply directly to their needs and interests. Target marketing is especially important for canteen because advertising is expensive. To get the most from our marketing dollar, you need to develop a crystal clear strategy that bring in new customers and create regulars. The choice for location, menu, and marketing message were reverse engineering after identifying the demands in the market. Unfortunately, many canteen owners develop their concept first before doing demographic research to find the most profitable target customers in their communities. Business model canvas. Business model canvas. This is our business model canvas for canteen automation system. Next page. Fund requirements. For marketing a canteen automation system, minimum cost is 10,000 rupees. In system, we require canteen automation software. Requirements funds for launch, event, and marketing. Requirement funds for technological infrastructures. Competitors analysis. How you are different to our competitors, your competitors. Our project has some unique features like students account creation, monitoring food quality, students payment details, and etc. Students can pay the amount of food from their top-up recharge. Students did not have to carry the money in cash every time. Students can give the order in advance from anywhere from campus. The owner maintains the record of orders.